I'm in the middle of making yung project natin, tapos may mga audience po dito. What's up mga kapadyak? Good day ladies and gents. So, today ituturo ko sana yung bike ko, kaso wala akong stand kaya kagawa tayo ngayon ng bike stand or working stand para sa bike. So, let's go!
Mga kakailanganing gamit: 70 by 40 cm wood, kahit 2x2 lang. Any wood you prefer, wag lang yung mga maninipis. Sandpaper. 2 metal hooks. You can make one of these from metal rods or yung mga nails. Just bend it like so. A lot of nails. Ruler o kahit anong pwedeng pang measure. Red ballpen o kahit anong pwedeng pang marka. Drill and a drill bit. And yung drill bit is dapat mas maliit sa diameter ng mga hooks. Hammer o kahit bato o kahit yung puso mo kasi matigas naman yan eh. Handsaw or any saw that you have. Electrical tape or duct tape. Some spare woods. And lastly, Pepsi Cola kasi mainit sa labas. First of all, cut the woods with your handsaw. Walang specific na mga sizes. Just cut one short para sa foundation o yung paanang stand, and one long para sa mga hooks. You'll understand later. Make them smooth with your sandpapers. Now use the ruler to measure yung mga contact points ng hook sa frame ng bike mo.
So yun po, I'm in the middle of making yung project natin, tapos may mga audience po dito eh. Okay, mag-hello kayo. Oh, doon pa yung isa eh. Yeah, let's continue.
Transfer your measurements to the longer wood that you've cut before. Now, use the drill with the drill bit on to make the holes for the hooks. And make sure to put the power on. Now, test fit the hooks on the holes. It should fit snugly. Kunin mo yung mga spare woods and do a test fit kung paano yung korte ng bike stand mo. Then after that, fortify them with your nails and hammer. Get your hooks, paint them blue, cause why not? And lagyan mo ng electrical tape para hindi magasgasan yung frame ng bike mo. Insert the hooks in the holes that you've made for them. And that's it. You're done. Very easy, right?
So, tapos ko na yung project and yeah, it's pretty sturdy naman kasi ang bigat ng bike ko. And yeah, let's go inside para tapusin ko na din yung video na to. Before the outro pala, quick update about sa bike stand na ginawa ko. Dinagdagan pala namin ni Papa ng karagdagang support yung body part ng bike stand. And nakita siguro ni Papa na medyo umaalog yung bike stand. Kaya tinulungan ko siya na lagyan ng mas maraming support. So make your bike stand as strong and sturdy as possible. So yeah, outro. So I'm inside na, and bago ko tapusin pala tong video na to is maliligo muna ako para may fresh naman ako mukha kahit sa outro lang. Done! yeah, so dito ko na po tatapusin ang video na to. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe and all that good stuff. And that's it from me for now. Have a good day. Spread love, no hate. Peace. Yeah.